This is the Ahorn 640 Plus motorhome. I'm going to show you it in under 3 minutes. This vehicle will cost around €67,000. It's 234 centimeters across and 648 centimeters long. It's got an electric operated bed in the ceiling, and down here we can make a bed as well in these long benches which are in a face-to-face configuration. Between the two benches we have this absolutely enormous table which can be moved around. The benches can be pushed forward, or to face forward I should say, when the vehicle is moving. We have a kitchen with 3 burners, a sink and storage below, and of course there's storage above, up front, but not so much under the bed. Here we have the fridge, tower fridge, with a bit at the bottom for storing bottles. What's interesting about this layout is this absolutely enormous washroom at the back, and this washroom comes with this large storage area, wardrobe indeed I'd call it, and this will all close off via a sliding door here to give you a very large dressing area. So this is the pièce de résistance of this vehicle. There's also access to the garage through this sliding door. Now, a vehicle of this, as I said, will cost around €67,000. It's on a Renault base. Currently, there are shortages with vehicles, but with the Renault, the shortages aren't so bad. It's got a very small footprint for a vehicle which can sleep 4, so that might be something which would be of interest, but there are vehicles which have an even smaller footprint and can sleep so many people. I did that in under 3 minutes, and thanks very much for watching.